Hi everyone, just an overview of the bikes we have in stock. This is a GL 1962. We restored this. This is the original GL colour, and it is top of the range restoration by ourselves. So that is 9,500. This is an original paint little VBB. This is 4,750. Runs, you can drive it away today. It's a GS 160, 9,500. Mark 1. Not our restoration, but a good clean bike. We have a little electric 50 special. I use this bike myself. Really good, fast, little nippy runabout town bike. 6,500. This is a Capri, early 60s Italian bike. We have electrified it, and it was just a little widget project for us. 3,950. Electric. Weird and Wonderful Rabbit from Japan. Not any in this country that I know of. It's a 90cc and fantastic, as you can imagine from the Japanese engineering. Really good, reliable little bike. 3,450. This is one of our restos. This is an electric converted VNB. 11,500. It's had our full restoration. It's been electrified, and yeah, super reliable, nice and easy to use, full restoration. A couple of other bikes that are mixed bunch. A Sprint Veloce from 1971. As is 3,995. That's a good bike. I bought this in Italy about 24 years ago. Really solid, nice frame. That's a little Sprint project. I haven't priced it yet. That's an original paint Douglas. This is a nice bike. This is the original paint, and it's been electrified. The old engine was pretty shot on it, so we electrified that. There's another VNB, older restoration, 4.5 grand. LC, very early 1950 Lambretta, and it's a project bike really. 2,495. It's a Spanish Moto Vespa with 10-inch wheels. It has a price tag of 2,495. 1962 Vespa 150S. Now, we do bikes in all sorts of condition. We will restore them, and if we do a restoration like the GL, like the little VNB, we like to do them from top to bottom, either electric or petrol. Original paint, all original trim, and then it's sort of good for resale value. And other bikes that are not our restoration, they're usually checked over by us. They're good bikes, they're solid, they're not bent or stolen or manky in any way. And little unrestored bikes, original paint, nice, hard to find. And again, we sell it with our restoration, we can restore it for you, we can mechanically overhaul it for you, or we can sell it to you as is to do your own thing with. But any which way around, we can find you a bike as well. But it's all available. That's our game. Classic Scooters. Thank you.